Now we will do an activity based on our properties of parallelogram. So we all know what is parallelogram means. Parallel means we are having the side at the opposite that should be parallel. So means if I am taking AB and CD, means they both are parallel. Means like a railway track, we have the example. So means railway track is an example of parallelogram. We are taking two sides that are parallel, and again we are having AD and BC. So means here we are having two parallel sides, this AD and BC, and another AB is parallel to CD. So now we have some properties to follow it. So means what it is saying, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Means what are the opposite side? AB and CD. Opposite. So we have to do that either it is equal and as well as parallel. So for equal, you can see this is a parallelogram, and if I am folding it like this, you can see it is getting overlapped. So this means AB is parallel to CD as well as equal also, because it is totally overlapped. Okay. Then we have the next property, opposite angles are equal. So again in this exercise, to find opposite angles are equal, what you can do, you can cut. Okay, you can cut this angle as well as this angle. You will see that angle B is equals to angle D. Okay, we will do this later. Then you can also look here, angle A plus angle A is equals to angle C. Okay, we will cut all such angle. So this will show that AB is angle A is equals to angle D and angle A is equals to angle C. So this means opposite angles are equal. Then we have adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angle means like angle A and angle B. They are adjacent. So means supplementary is what? Means the sum is what? 180. Adjacent angle we can take anything like angle A plus angle B equals to 180, or we can do angle A plus angle D is equals to 180, or angle we can take angle D plus angle C equals to 180, or we can do like here also angle C plus angle B is equals to 180. Supplementary means the angle sum is 180. Okay, so like this we will do. So we will cut each angle and we will show that the sum of both the angle is what? 180 degree. And then we have the diagonal bisect each other. Means if I am folding this like this, means this is your one diagonal. Diagonal is what? Non-consecutive sides we are joining it. So non-consecutive means opposite also we can take. So this is one diagonal and this is your second diagonal. So like this we are folding it. Then bisect each other. It means bisect means partition into two equal parts. So bisect means this AO is equals to OC. Means this AO. So what I can do, I can measure this by the scale, that AO is equals to this portion and this portion is equals to this portion. We can measure it by the scale. Okay, I just want all of you to measure it by the scale. So you will see that AO is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. So first of all, we will cut each angles. This is your one angle. So this is your angle B. This is your angle A. This is your angle C. And this is your angle D. Okay. So now what we will do, okay, like this. So we know We also know the angle sum property, means if I will place it all together, the sum of all the angle will be 360. But right now we don't want to do. First of all, I will deal with the opposite angles. So these are the opposite angle. Okay. Now, if suppose I am overlapping it, you can see the both angles are equal same. Are equal? Means both angles are same. Angle is what? This portion. Okay, so this is making, right now we know it is 90-90. Okay, it can be anything. So means by this we have declared that opposite angles are equal. So here also what we will do, again we will overlap and you will see that both angles are equal. So like there, opposite angles are equal. Now what it comes, adjacent angles are supplementary. Suppose if I take angle A plus angle B, so I will place in such a manner that it form a linear line. Okay, so this is forming a linear line. So this means the sum of two angle, adjacent angle is what? 180. Okay, either you can take anything, like suppose if you want to take D plus C, okay, then also you will get the sum to be 180. So like these are the properties of parallelogram. You should remember, because you have to solve all such question based on this properties. So first is what? Opposite angles are equal, and opposite sides are equal as well as they are parallel. According to the name, we can say it is a parallelogram. Now we have opposite angles, means opposite angles are equal. This opposite angles are equal. Then adjacent angles, means adjacent angle is what? 180. We have a 4 adjacent angles. Then diagonal bisect each other. Okay, we can see that this portion is equals to this portion and this portion is equals to this portion. So this means AO is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. So hence these are all the properties of parallelogram. I just want all of you to try it yourself, and then we will do the various type of questions based on it. Okay, thank you all of you.